What's up, YouTube, and thank you guys for watching the Soldier Barber Live. Today going to be doing an unboxing of the Gamma Plus Golden Gun Collector's Edition, which is a clipper that is shaped like a gun, so stay tuned. Before we open this box up, just gonna kind of talk about the box in general. Just most of the time your Gamma and Stylecraft, they have really nice boxes that everything comes in, so you know your initial presentation of it is really good. You know, for some people it may not matter about the boxing, but that kind of is the first impression and really sets the tone for the rest of the clipper. So for me, it's a pretty important thing. So just want to talk about some of the characteristics of this clipper. It says it has 10,000 RPMs, a high-speed magnetic motor, and it does have the single magnetic guards. It gives you 5 of those. It has a gold titanium blade, and that blade can be zero gapped. The levers you do have on there, you have a customizable click lever, or you can do the freestyle lever. And then it does come with a lithium-ion battery that has 120-minute runtime. And then it has their microchip that's supposed to increase the performance of it, and also have a low noise and vibration style clipper. So let's go ahead and open this up, take a look at it. So got another picture of it on there. And then inside here, so like I said, this clipper is a collector's edition, so with that, that's why you get this stand here. So it is a charging stand, so you do see the charging port there, and then you can plug the charging plug into there in the back as well, so it can be used both ways. So the clipper here, right, so a lot of the other videos that I saw, for some reason, I don't know why, it looked like it was a lot bigger than what it was. Like this portion of the clipper to me seemed like it was a lot bigger in any other video that I did watch. But it's got an all metal housing here, got that transparent so you can see in and see the motor. You know, this one does have that fade blade. This is the gold fade blade on there, and got that click lever on there, so that is nice. Difference on this one, your power button is on the front there, so turning that on, you can hear, I mean, you can feel the power of this thing, but it's not really noisy, you know, which is a good thing. And then yeah, you got a handle here, so it's like your trigger, so you can hold that like it's an actual gun, you know, so that's pretty cool that they came out with this. When I saw that it was gold, when I saw an all gold clipper collector's edition, I just had to get it. You know, everything that I have in my shop, all my clippers and all that is all gold, so definitely this was a must cop for me. So what else do we get? We have the clipper guards here. So these aren't the new dubs that they do have. These are the single magnetic guards. So they just have one on there, and you get 5 of them. 5 of these guards on there. You have your 0 guard, you have your 1 guard, your 2, your 3, and your 4. So those are the guards that you do get with this. And then in the package, you do get a couple more levers. So if you want to go with a black lever, you can. If you want to go with a chrome lever, you can put that on there as well. You've got a little cleaner and some oil as well. And then we have our charger. So if you see on this one specifically, it does have that UK charging port on it, but it does come with the American one on there. And the reason why it's like that is because this is how I bought this one. So I bought this one from where I got it from, because at the time the Golden Guns were sold out everywhere in the USA and they were on back order. So I just wanted to get my hands on it early, so that's the reason why I got it. Now this is dual voltage, so it doesn't matter. I'll still be able to plug this in without having to use any inverters or anything like that. So like I was saying, you do have the stand here, and then this will just plug right into there, and then you can actually plug this in and charge it. So if you do want to use it as a traditional charging stand, you can do that as well. Just underneath there. So underneath the box is we have our this is the part where you can actually make the case for it. So you can build the case here. You have the bottom of the case, and then you build the transparent. This has plastic, like protective covering on it, so you can peel this off and then build an actual case for this. So if you want to if you do want to put this clipper on display, you can do so, and it'll look like such right here on the back. So that's probably how I'm going to display this. I do plan on doing the Sean Cuts Hair Golden Gun Challenge, and I'm going to use this clipper to do that Golden Gun Challenge, and I might try it out on a couple heads just to see how it is. But after that, it will be going in the case, and it'll be a collector's item that'll be on display. So you know, you guys, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Check out the Golden Gun Challenge that I will be doing, and then just check out any other videos that I have going on. Thank you guys for watching.